welcome back to my channel. My name's Abigail if you're new here, and I make cleaning videos, DIYs, and do some hiking and traveling vlogs. So if you are interested in any of those things, please subscribe and see what my videos have to offer. So today I just figured we would do some cleaning together. It motivates me to make the video. Hopefully it motivates you to watch. And let's get our houses cleaned and get going. So here we go. So first I'm going to be cleaning our glass sliding door that goes out to our backyard. Here in Vegas, it gets very dusty and there's a lot of buildup on the windows and it's really difficult to get off. So this is probably going to be a multi-part task, but I took this lime mold and mildew remover that I just got from Dollar Tree and I'm slowly removing all of this white buildup. So it takes quite a long time to do this, but I think over the next couple of days I'll just do it every day and then hopefully it'll be nice and shiny and clean in no time. I've lived in my house for probably 9 or 10 months now and I've just ignored this since I moved in, but it's gotten to the point where I just can't ignore it anymore. So next I'm going to be tackling the kitchen. Just over the course of the week, things start to build up and I can't keep up with it, as well as Christmas cards cluttering up the fridge. And I already have quite a bit of clutter on my countertops because it is a small kitchen, so I just want to get everything put away and organized. I have a rule when I'm cleaning. I just start in one room and put everything away in its right spot. I try not to just put something in the next room I have to clean to avoid it for now, although I do end up doing that sometimes. So I try to put everything away and then wipe down the counters, get everything all cleaned up. So here, this really cool dish hanging rack, this pots and pans rack, I have a video on how to make this on my channel, but all I did was take one of those metal wire racks for at like craft shows and things like that and hung it sideways so I could hang my pots off of it. So now I'm just cleaning out my sink. This kind of gets disgusting over time. I try to do it every day, but I end up not always getting it done. And then I had this little funfetti cookie mix that I had gotten a while ago. It's been sitting on my counter, so I decided that I'm just gonna make it and see how it turns out, and then we'll have some cookies for the week ahead of us. It only made 8 cookies and I got this at Dollar Tree, so for $1, I don't know if it's that good of a deal, but they are pretty tasty and cute, so it's really an easy option. So I guess I would recommend it, but buy more than one pack. Then here I'm just putting all my batteries into battery holder, kind of restocking. Putting all the extras in a Ziploc bag. Now I'm just cleaning the other part of the kitchen. Don't really use this side as often. It's more of just extra and for our coffee and mix master. But it still gets dirty, so still gotta clean it. And then after that, my cookies were already done, so I took them out, let them cool. Now I'm gonna take down all of the Christmas cards. It's sad to get rid of them, but they're just so cluttered. But then I ended up deciding that I'm going to keep 3 up. There's my husband's whole family's Christmas card, which is a picture from our wedding actually. a card that his grandma had just sent us in the mail recently, and then a New Year's card that my grandma had just sent us in the mail as well. This rug was such a great find. I got this on Facebook Marketplace back when I was interning in Marshfield, Wisconsin, and the lady that made this rug has actually passed away, but apparently she used to go into surgeries and draw the procedures to teach surgeons and students how to do certain things, but she also handmade rugs on the side, so her caretaker was selling things from her house that she had left her in her will, and she sold me this rug for, I believe, only like $25 because the ends are kind of tattered and raggedy, but oh my gosh, it is so beautiful and one of a kind. I'm so happy that I found it. And then the finishing touches, I got rid of all the hand towels to clean them. So I just pulled out this neutral one and this cute little saying. I got this towel from Dollar Tree where I get most of my smaller decor pieces, but it says a house is not a home without paw prints, and that is so true. Our little girl Brandy is my little helper, and she just is always there whenever I'm doing any projects. She's right by my side, and you'll see her in all of my videos. I got this Shark steam mop for Christmas, and it is such a good investment. I would definitely recommend it. All it is you put water in it, plug it in, and it steams your floors. It's safe for hardwoods and linoleum, and you don't have to put any cleaning supplies in. This part is so funny because my dog Brandy thinks we're playing when I'm lifting up the pillows and straightening out the couch. So everything I pick up, she just starts grabbing it and trying to play. And it only makes my job like 10% harder, but it's so worth it because she's just so silly. I'm just vacuuming off the couch because sometimes we don't really realize that the things in plain sight are still kind of dirty. And then since I had the attachment on that gets in all the little nooks and crevices, I cleaned around this little baby gate we have to put our dog in the kitchen when we're not home because she likes to get into things and eat them. So we kind of have this little kitchen area for her to stay in, just because I don't feel comfortable putting her in a small little crate when we're gone for a long time. This area was so dirty too, you can see from the rag. Like I said, it's so dusty in Vegas, you wouldn't believe how dirty your shoes are when you first come in the door, and this is the entrance to our garage. So the dust and the dirt just builds up right here. Next, I decided to dust our bookshelf. We got these IKEA shelves to put our collections. My husband collects wooden boats, and I collect carved elephants and also radiology textbooks because that's my profession, and so we just use that to display them. And then this is our front little, kind of like our mud room, front entrance area from our garage. So I was just clearing out all of the mail and papers and documents that have piled up, as well as everything else that we just hang on the door when we come in. And then by our front door, we have all of our winter items. It was a very mild winter here in Vegas, and honestly, I don't think we've even needed our winter coats, but I did leave them out just in case because it's only the beginning of January. But I did put all of our hats and gloves away because I just don't think we'll need them. And next, I decided to take all my purses off of that coat rack by our front door and go through all of them and just consolidate items, throw away receipts, and any little keepsakes I've collected from things we've done around Vegas. I just made a pile of those because our guest room is Vegas themed and we're planning on making a collage wall. I just thrifted this yesterday. I only got it for $6, and that one by our front entrance mudroom area that I just did previously with all the papers, I believe was like 15 or 16 on Amazon, and that is about the cheapest that they run, so I felt like that was a really good deal, so we hung that up. Now we're putting our new sheets on our bed and just putting on our clean comforter and just freshening everything up. And I started a quick load of laundry. This is a really good trick that I learned from another YouTuber, is throw your detergent lid in with your wash and it won't get all goopy and gross over time. And it has been working so great for us. One of my last projects is to clean off this dresser. It's kind of my catch-all in the house because I just head up to my bedroom and just throw my stuff on this dresser. So I had to bring everything back to its spot and clear this off. Then I just tidied our nightstands quick and headed to my bathroom. So this is the master bathroom, and over the week as I'm getting ready, things like that, I don't have time to put things away because I probably don't wake up as early as I should to get ready for work. And Brandy just loves to drink out of the sink, so that's what she was doing up there, why she was whining at me. I have to make sure that I really clean the chemicals out of these sinks because of her drinking out of them. And that's it. Clean house. So here are all the after footage of our beautiful, clean, organized home. I hope that this video gave you guys some inspiration to clean your own home. And if you have any questions or any comments about the video, please leave them in the comment section and I will reply to them as soon as I can. And if you guys like to see more cleaning videos or some cool DIYs on a budget or some hiking and traveling vlogs around the Vegas area, please subscribe to my channel. And I upload at least once or twice a week, so just be on the lookout for my videos. It's such a good feeling to start the week with a clean house, and that's why I always try to get my cleaning done late on Sunday so that the rest of the week we can just have a nice clean house to come home to, and we don't have to worry about clutter being in the way. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye.